visiting the Hershey, Pennsylvania RV show, checking out Airstream's booth here to see what's new for 2019. Airstream just released and announced the new Slate Edition. Slate Edition comes in the extended lounge or Grand Tour floor plan. They're going to build 75 of these motorhomes. They're all limited production. They're going to be numbered 1 through 75. There's going to be 25 of them that are going to be attenuated. It's a cross between silver and black, and the rest of the 50 are going to be silver. It's available in air suspension only, so there's no four-wheel drive available. And the interior has 2 different color seats you could get. You could get the black diamond or the pearl diamond. We're in the pearl diamond right now. So you can see the seats have different style stitching, and it's a 2-tone color, and it has the diamond pattern inside, and there's a matte laminate on the cabinets, and it's got woven vinyl floor just like you would see in the Tommy Bahama edition, as well as the classic Airstream travel trailer. If you step inside, you can see also some of the differences here. You got a matte finish here on the cabinet, and it has a black textured finish up top. Gives it more of a limo type look. This is number 18 that we're in right now. 18 out of the 75. These are going to be shipping to the dealers over the next couple of months. So pretty much most of Airstream production is going to be dedicated towards the Slate. And you also have a matte color black countertop. The same drawer style microwave grill. You have flip down here for sponges, a drawer here. These are all full extension. Got a drawer down below. Refrigerator, this is Nova Cool. This runs on 12 volts, a compressor style refrigerator, so it's a lot more efficient than your standard absorption refrigerator that the RVs use. Runs off your 4 AGM batteries. These are 24 series batteries, 12 volt in parallel. That in conjunction with the 300 watt solar that's standard will keep this fridge running for a very long time. 2-burner cooktop. Exhaust is your fantastic fan above that has motorized lid, rain sensor, variable speed control. You have all these overhead roof lockers, have this extruded aluminum structure that all the rest of the Interstates have, carpet lining inside to keep noise level down. There's no staples, everything's pocket hole screwed and bolted in place, very secure, so these cabinets aren't going to start rattling. Instead of the magic suede, they use a different style material on the Slate Edition. This does have the power day-night shades on board. And in the back here, this has the lay flat bed system. So instead of these being jump seats, these are flat cushions that power together. And then behind them, you still have a seat belt here for additional passenger. USB charge port there. There's storage on this side for you could store some items in here. Some relays and fuses and breakers as well. 2 speakers here in the rear. Has the power rear screen, power shades in the rear doors. These headrests are adjustable for different heights. You could extend this bed all the way almost up to the back doors if you use extensions, or you could just fold it flat, which we're gonna do here in a second. It folds into a 66-inch wide by 76-inch bed, or you could extend it to over 80 inches if you remove cargo out of the rear trunk. There's an overhead roof locker here, very deep, and it goes side to side. There's the whole width of the van, and it's a depth of approximately 36 inches. You got overhead roof lockers on this side as well. In the bathroom, porthole window has a sink with shower wand, so you pull the sink faucet out and hang it up here. This has all the best-in-class safety features. You get the collision avoidance, blind spot detection, Parktronic system, lane control is all on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis that Airstream specs out. A little bit different than a lot of other manufacturers. Airstream checks off every list. One of the biggest things they do is the high gravity suspension package. You get upgraded sway bars, better bushings, and upgraded brakes when you get the high gravity suspension package. And that's almost exclusive on the Airstream Interstate line. not only the Slate Edition, but the rest of the Airstream Interstate EXTs do have that available. Well, this is Patrick with Colonial Airstream, Lakewood, New Jersey, visiting the Hershey RV show to check out some of the Airstream's new exciting products. You can visit us on the web at colonialairstream.com. Our telephone number is 800-265-9019. Follow me on Facebook. I'm Colonial Patrick. I'll see you soon.